When a bird is called a starling, you might expect it to enjoy a little attention. And this small creature lives up to the name, with feathers that shimmer in shades of green and purple under the sunlight, and an impressive ability to mimic sounds. The starling is truly a natural performer. Originally native to Europe and Asia, the common starling has traveled far beyond its original home. In the 19th century, a small group was famously released into New York's Central Park by a man who admired birds mentioned in Shakespeare's plays. From there, the species spread rapidly, adapting to new environments across the world. Yet few places showcase the starling's magic quite like Brighton, England. The West Pier may stand as a weathered ruin against the sea, but each evening during autumn and winter, it becomes the stage for one of nature's most mesmerizing performances. As daylight begins to fade, thousands of starlings gather overhead, filling the sky with motion. They twist, turn, and ripple through the air in perfect synchrony, forming ever-changing shapes that seem almost alive. This breathtaking phenomenon is known as a murmuration, a word as poetic as the sight itself, echoing the soft rush of countless wings beating together. Scientists believe these swirling movements serve several purposes. By flying in dense, shifting formations, starlings confuse predators, making it difficult for any single bird to be targeted. Staying close also helps them conserve warmth during colder months, while the collective motion may allow them to share information about safe places to roost for the night. Whatever the reason, the result is unforgettable. Visitors pause in their tracks, eyes lifted toward the sky, phones raised in quiet amazement. For a few fleeting moments, the sky becomes a living canvas, painted not with clouds, but with thousands of wings moving as one. And then, just as gently as it began, the flock descends, the sky grows still, the pier returns to silence, and the starlings disappear into the dusk, leaving behind the memory of a natural dance that feels almost unreal.